Welcome to SKT Engineering YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you what are dimensions and how to set dimensions. Dimensions are used for measurement of length, width or height of objects, items, walls, floor plans, slabs, etc. In order to give dimension to a certain wall, click on this icon, select the first point, select the second point, and drag the text outwards or inwards. Turn on the ortho mode, press F8 or click on this icon. Similarly, to repeat the dimension, right click and repeat dimension. You can see the dimensions of the room as 4.5 meter by 5 meter. Similarly, the dimension of children's room can also be created. Give the dimension to the outer boundary, click on the endpoints of the boundary. Click on this, click on this icon and drag the text outward. Right click, press enter. Now you can see that the dimension text height is very small, which means that the scale is very small and are not clearly visible. In order to modify the dimension, select any one of the dimension, right click on it, select similar. Now again right click on it and select properties. Here, change the text size to 0.3 and press enter. Now you can see that the text size has been modified. Similarly, you can change the arrow size here, 0.2 meter. Press close. Now the dimensions have been modified. Similarly, you can modify the dimensions by another method. Just write dim style, press enter. Now you can create your own styles by clicking on this icon, SKT Engineering, and click on continue. Now you can set the primary units. Since the units of the whole plan are set to decimal, so I will not disturb it. And set the precision to 0.00. Similarly, change the text height to 0.3. You can also modify the symbols and arrows. You can choose the closing style as oblique, or you can change it to arrows or dot. I will use the arrow one, closed field arrows. Similarly, you can change the line type by introducing new lines as dashed line, center line by 2x, or continuous line. So I will use the line by block. Press OK. Click on it and set as current. Now the new dimensions has been created. In order to watch other videos of AutoCAD or other engineering softwares, press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to stay updated. Thanks.